तमिलनाडु की हॉट सीट बनी हुई कोयम्बटूर में आज वोटिंग चल रही। इस बीच सत्ताधारी दल डीएमके ने बीजेपी पर चुनावों में पैसे बांटने के आरोप लगाए। बता दें कि बीजेपी प्रदेश अध्यक्ष के अन्नामलाई कोयम्बटूर सीट से ही चुनावी मैदान में, लिहाजा मुख्यमंत्री स्टालिन सहित सारा डीएमके आला कमान यहां एक्टिव है। इस बीच वोटिंग करने पहुंचे अन्नामलाई ने डीएमके को चैलेंज देते हुए कहा कि अगर एक भी शख्स मीडिया के सामने आकर कह दे कि बीजेपी ने उसके वोट को प्रभावित करने की कोशिश की है तो मैं आज ही राजनीति छोड़ दूंगा। सुनिए डीएमके के आरोपों पर क्या बोले बीजेपी के अन्नामलाई।
I am telling you, madam, I am running this election as a matter of principle, like a davam, like a velvi. I am running this election. If the intelligence, Tamil Nadu police, DMK, ADMK, what they are doing in Coimbatore, everybody is seeing. More than 1,000 crores they have spent in Coimbatore. If they can bring one voter and make them to stand before the media to say that some BJP guy is trying to influence them, I will leave politics the same day. Sir, because I am running this election as a matter of principle. And that's how I'm seeking votes based on what we have done, based on me as a person, based on what we intend to do for Coimbatore in the next 5 years. It's an open challenge to all the Dravidian parties. And last 3-4 years, the kind of atrocity they're doing in Coimbatore, the whole people are watching. Going 500 rupee first round, 500 rupees second round, and the other party 250 rupee first round, 250 rupees second round. The whole of India is watching. Even the press is watching. I'm openly challenging the Dravidian party. You bring one voter and make that voter to stand before the press.
This challenge applies to all the constituencies, not only Coimbatore.
Since you are asking about Coimbatore, I'm talking about Coimbatore. Since you are asking about Coimbatore, I'm talking about Coimbatore.
The amount of cash that has been seized from the Congo region especially, is it a matter of concern? How the
it's always a grave matter of concern, sir. It's always a grave matter of concern. The reason is Congo Belt, somehow DMK thinks it can buy people with money, brute money. And ADMK is also in the same boat for a long time. And the officials also turned a blind eye to what has happened, specifically in Coimbatore over the last 2-3 days. Powers switching off at 2 o'clock, going and distributing money, people chasing them. Our people repeatedly going and giving complaints to the collector, the returning officer, the AROs and everywhere. The action is not taken because the administration there is totally sterile. I don't think the administration is neutral. And you must have seen our election campaigning also over the last 10 days, the fight with police preventing us from different parts. So the DMK people have packed the administrative people with their own people, set of people, even before the model code of conduct have come in. Despite we have complaining, nobody has got changed. And it's a matter of concern, but in democracy, you always have to trust people. And people have to rise above everything. Sorry, madam. People have to rise above everything and stand with honesty, stand with integrity. I'm sure the Coimbatore model that is going to come out from June 4th would be an example for all the rest of the country and rest of the state as well.